Hello children, good morning. So in the previous class we are in activity number 6. So today we are going to learn about the activity 7, in which it has the addition and subtraction of these problems which are in the measurements. Either it could be in the meters, centimeters, liters, all this. That means it is explaining about the measurement of length, measurement of weight, and measurement of capacity, and their additions and subtractions. So here comes the activity number 7, the first Roman. They have given us the sum 15 meters 25 centimeters plus 8 meters 65 centimeters. So if you observe this children, they have given us the units meters and centimeters. So you must aggregate like meters aside and centimeters one side. So below that you can write the number which is been given there. So 15 meters. So below meters you have to write 15, and 25 centimeters. Below centimeters you have to write 25. Yes. And again if you see here 8 meters. Okay. 8 meters means 0, 8 you have to write. Okay ma? And 65 centimeters. 65 centimeters. So here they asked us to do the addition. So let us do that. 5 plus 5 is how much children? 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forwarded. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6, how much? 9. So we will write 9 here. Okay. And coming to this side, meter side, 5 plus 8. How much children? 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3 here and 1 carry forwarded. Okay. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So therefore, by adding 15 meters 25 centimeters and 8 meters 65 centimeters, the answer is 23 meters 90 centimeters. Okay ma? Now coming to the B1. Here they have given us the units in the measurement of weight. That means kgs and grams, if you observe that. So what we have to do? We have to separate it kgs and grams. Yes. So how many kgs children? 75 kilograms and 250 grams. 62 kgs, 127 grams. Now you add it. 0 plus 7, how much? 0 plus 7 is 7 itself. Again, 5 plus 2, how much? 5 plus 2 is also 7. 2 plus 2 plus 1, how much? 3. Okay. And 5 plus 2 is how much? Again, 7. And 7 plus 6 is 13. Yes or no? Yes. So, therefore the answer is 137 kgs, 377 grams. Yes. Now here comes the third question. 42 kilometers, 175 meters. That means they have given the measurements in kilometers and meters. Yes. They have given the units in kilometers and meters. So how many kilometers we have here? 42 kilometers. So 42 kilometers. How many meters children? 175 meters. Next. 69 kilometers plus 69 kilometers and 675 meters. Now you have to add this. 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forwarded. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 5. Yes, so 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So 5 here and 1 carry forwarded. Okay. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will write 8 here. Now 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is how much? 11, right? So 1 here and 1 carry forwarded. Okay. Now 6 plus 4 is how much children? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Yes. So let's write 11. So therefore the answer is 111 kilometers and 850 meters. Okay. The next question, the units are given in liters and milliliters. So we will write liters and milliliters. The first one is 8 liters. That means we will write 08 liters, 455 ml, milliliters. And you have to add 16, 16, 285 ml. Now we are going to add this. 5 plus 5 is how much, children? 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 here and 1 carry forwarded. 8 plus 5. How much? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1. How much? 14. Yes. So 4 here and 1 carry forwarded. Okay. Now 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay. Now 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is how much? 8 plus 6 is how much? 8 plus 6 is 14. Yes. So 4 here and 1 carry forwarded. 1 plus 1. How much, children? 2. So therefore 24 liters 740 milliliters. Okay. Now we will do problems on subtraction. Similarly, how we have separated these units, we have to do that subtractions also. Let us see the subtractions. So here's the question, children. 32 kgs 100 grams minus 17 kgs 400 grams. Here they have given the units kilograms and grams. So I have written the units kilograms and grams, have separated it, and below that I am writing the given numbers. So how many kgs did they give? 32 kgs. So 32 kgs 100 grams. 100 grams minus 17 kgs. Below kgs I have written 17 and 400 below grams. Okay. Now you have to subtract it, not adding. So 0 minus 0. How much, children? 0 minus 0 is obviously 0. Again 0 minus 0 is how much? 0. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 4 is possible, children? 1 minus 4. It is not possible. So usually what we will do? We will borrow. We will borrow from this side. You might have thinking that, madam, here no number is there in the gram, so we will leave it off. No, children. You have to continue this subtraction. There is no partition. We are just separating the units only, but we are not separating any number. Okay. It is not another form of subtraction and this is not another form of subtractions. They both are together. So if you needed any borrow, you can borrow from this. Or else, in addition, if you wanted to carry forward, you can carry forward from here to here also. You remember that usually you will commit mistake here only. So don't commit that mistake. You observe this here clearly. So 1 minus 4 is not possible. So what you will do? You have to borrow from 2. So this 2 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 4. How much? Count from 4 until you get 11. How much? 7. Yes. So 7 you write. Again 1 minus 7 is not possible. So what we will do? We will borrow from the before number. Therefore the 3 becomes 2 and this 1 becomes again 11. 11 minus 4. How much? 11 minus 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. So if you observe this here, 11 minus 4 is 7 and 11 minus 7 is 4. Did you find any difference over here? Yeah. 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here itself the numbers. Okay. Now 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 itself. So therefore by subtracting 32 kgs 100 grams from 17 kgs 400 grams, the answer we obtained is 14 kgs 700 grams. Okay. Now you see the B1. Here you have the units in liters and milliliters. How many liters? 10 liters minus 250 ml minus 5 liters 650 ml. 0 minus 0. How much? 0. 5 minus 5. How much? 0. 2 minus 6 is possible? No, it is not possible. So what you will do? You have to borrow from the before number, but here you have 0. So you have to borrow from this number. So 1 becomes 0 and this becomes 10, no? Yes or no? And what does it become? So here you got 10 because you borrowed from 1. But we want here the borrowing, no? So if you want 1 from this number, you have to give the borrow, no? So that's why this becomes 9 and this becomes 12. Okay? You understood? Now, 12 minus 6 is how much? 12 minus 6 is 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. And 9 minus 5 is how much, children? 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. So, what did you obtain? 0 minus 0 is again 0. So, we need not write that. Okay. By subtracting 10 liters 250 ml from 5 liters 650 ml, we obtain the answer 4 liters 650 ml. Okay. Now, we will see 2 more problems. So, here they have given the units in kilometers and meters. So, how many kilometers, children? 55 kilometers, 625 meters. Again, subtracted from 34 kilometers, 800 meters. Okay. Now, you see that 5 minus 0 is how much? 5 minus 0 is 5 itself. 2 minus 0, of course, 2. And 6 minus 8 is possible? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow. So, 6 becomes 16 and 5 becomes 4. 16 minus 8. Count from 8 until you get 16. 16 minus 8 is how much, children? 8. Yes or no? Yes. So, 4 minus 4 is again 0. So, we will write 0. 5 minus 3 is how much? 5 minus 3 is 2. So, therefore, by subtracting 55 kilometers 625 meters from 34 kilometers 800 meters, the answer is 20 kilometers 825 meters. Okay. Now, if you see the D1, here they have given the units in meters and centimeters. So, you observe that 27 meters 40 centimeters from 19 meters 25 centimeters. So, 0 minus 5 is not possible. So, what we have to do? We will borrow. So, 0 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? Subtract from 10 minus 5. The answer is 5. Yes or no? Yes. And 3 minus 2 is how much? 3 minus 2 is 1. Let's write 1. 7 minus 9. Is it possible? 7 minus 9 is possible, children? No. What you have to do? You have to borrow and 7 becomes 17. 2 becomes 1. 17 minus 9. What is 17 minus 9, children? How much? 8. Yes or no? 17 minus 9 is 8. Count from 9 until you get 17. You will get the answer 8. 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 0. So, therefore, the answer is 8 meters 15 centimeters. Okay. So, this is about the activity number 7, children. Of course, there are many problems. The remaining problems you have to do it as homework. Okay, children. That means A, B, C, D I have solved first Roman and second Roman. E, F, G, H you have to do it on your own in your homework book, not in the CW. Okay. Is it clear? Yes. So, tomorrow we will discuss about activity number 8, that is the word problems based on these measurements. Yes. So, okay, children, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.